Unboxing is complete, and now it's time for a short review for the HT-G700 from Sony. At the end of the video you can listen to the Soundbar demo sound, which I have recorded with my Blue Yeti microphone in stereo mode. Also be sure to read my full review article on tarantulo.tv, link in the description down below. The soundbar has a real premium look, and everything, including the sub, feels solid and well built. And spoiler alert, G700 sounds terrific. Soundbar display has 3 different brightness modes and it's quite clear enough. But because there are some hefty grills in the front of the screen, from certain angles it's a bit hard to read. You get 5 capacitive touch buttons on the top, which in the darkness are quite useless, because they are flush with the body and you can't actually feel them. For the sound modes you get auto sound, cinema, music and standard. With all these modes you can enable these effects: night mode, voice mode and immersive AE. All of these are quite self-explanatory and give you effortless control to adjust all the settings. HT-G700 is up to date with the latest features and has all the necessary ports for all possible configurations and supports lots of different formats. Check my article on tarantulo.tv for more information. Before ordering, I was looking for information. Does it sound good? Is it worth $600? The answer to both questions is a definite yes. Does Dolby Atmos surround work with only 3 speakers and the sub? The answer is also yes. The music sounds fantastic. Watching movies you get more than enough bass, and the dialogues are crystal clear with the voice effect enabled. Everything works and it sounds great. Finally, in this part I'll play different tracks, try different sound modes. Everything was recorded with my Blue Yeti microphone in stereo mode. I recommend wearing headphones because it will give you the best sound effect on how Sony HT-G700 sounds. Thank you for watching my review. If it was good, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions about the soundbar, be sure to leave them down in the comments. And if you want to support me, please subscribe and hit that notification bell.